Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is soccer ball. 40% of the world's soccer balls are made in Sialkot, Pakistan by a multitude of small manufacturers. Each individual firm is itself significant to global supply and in many ways nearly identical. Soccer ball production involves a few principal costs: rent for factory space, equipment, artificial leather, and worker time. This is an annual time cost function for an individual firm in dollars is equal to 62,500 plus 0.0004 q. Question mark. You are going to analyze the market for soccer ball and the behavior of individual firms. First, solve for a firm's marginal cost and average cost functional MCQ AC9P. In the short run, the current prevailing wholesale market price is $12 per ball. How many balls will each firm produce, and how much will they earn in profit? Output profit. There are no barriers to entry for firms in this town, and so we would expect entry if firms are profitable. How much will each firm produce? What will be the long run wholesale price for a soccer ball? What will each firm earn in profits? Output price. Our profit. One of these small manufacturers, Football Limited, discovers an innovation that allows them to make soccer ball cheaper. The innovation is a way to cut pentagons closer together so they waste less material. Read about it and the managerial challenges it brought in this romantical. The second, Football Limited new cost function is TCQ is equal to 62,500 plus 0.000324 QD. The wholesale price remain at the level found in C. How much will Football Limited produce and what is its profit? Output profit. The following year, all other firms adopt this technology and the resulting long run equilibrium price for soccer balls falls to $9. Unfortunately, Rigid Ball Co. has been unable to convince their worker to adopt the innovation and so still has the old cost function. To make matter worse, they were locked into a long-term lease on both their factory space and equipment and so have to keep paying their fixed costs this year no matter what. How many soccer balls will Rigid decide to produce this year, if any? How many would you expect them to produce next year after their long-term lease expire? If they still don't adopt the new cost-cutting manufacturing trick, output this year, output next year will be greater than this year, same as this year, less than this year, but greater than 00. The fire will exit. And the answer of the question is a. Marginal cost MC and average cost AC function. Given the total cost function for individual firm, pause the video and go through the calculation. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.